Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of the athomedive YouTube channel. As always, my name is Joey, and today we're in the kitchen making something fantastic. We're still under quarantine here in St. Kitts due to the whole COVID-19 situation going on around the world. But I was really wanting applesauce today, and unfortunately, being under quarantine, we're not allowed to go to the grocery store. So today we're going to throw together a quick video on how to make applesauce. So sit back, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. Alright, so on the counter today we have 6 Gala apples. These are just really good looking apples we found in the grocery store. You can use Granny Smith if you want, but you're going to use just a little bit more sugar to go with that. So for the Galas, we're only going to use 2 tablespoons of granulated white sugar and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, along with 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to add in 1 good pinch of kosher salt. We have 3/4 cup of water. We have the juice and the zest of 1 lemon. And that's what's really going to give it the acidic note and round out all the sugar. So the first thing we're going to do to get going is we're going to peel all of these apples and get them into a pot. Now that all the apples are peeled and in the pot, we're going to go ahead and add the lemon juice and zest, the water, and the sugars and cinnamon. I'll top that with 1 pinch of salt. And then, just going to kind of give them a gentle stir. And now it's time to start cooking. We're going to cook this over medium-low heat for about 25 minutes. We just want to get nice and steamy in there and cook off some of the liquid. It's been 20 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and turn off the heat now. And we're just going to let this sit here for a few minutes and cool off enough to mess with it. Alright, so we've transferred our applesauce into the blender pitcher here, and we're just going to bump it on pulse. You can mash yours with a fork or a potato masher if you'd like, but it's just so handy to throw it in the blender. So now, this is our finished product of applesauce. I'm just going to pour some out into a bowl here. And as you can see, it's nice, relatively smooth. You can make yours a little chunkier if you want. It's totally up to you. But you see just the rich, vibrant, beautiful applesauce. Alright friends, so that wraps us up on how to make applesauce. Comment below and let me know how yours turns out. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you liked the video. Have a great day.